Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is going to be something new today. I'm going to be doing some knotless braids on my daughter. So this is her hair here. I have to blow dry it, so I will be using the blow dryer with the comb, and I just use it on cool here. And then you can see I have the hair already pre-stretched and on this little holder. And I'm going to be spraying this heat protecting spray on her hair prior to blow drying it to make sure it is not damaged. This is 12 Benefits, and this is what I've been using to make sure that the hair does not get damaged when I do blow dry it. So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry her hair, and then I'll be back. But for this, what you're going to need is the hair. You're going to need a rat tail comb. You're going to need some type of a gel. I have this one here, Dream Miracle Edges, but I know a lot of people use jam. And that's going to help you just to have the hair gripped the way that you want it to be. So let me blow dry the hair, and then we will go ahead and get started. I didn't want it to be too much. I just needed it to be a little bit straighter. So I'm going to start by going across here. I don't want them too small, but I also don't want them too big. So I'm just finding where I want to part it, starting back here. Now we're going to start putting the gel on. So I'm using, like I told you guys, this Dream Kids Olive Miracle. Across her hair, going all the way across. And now I'm going to part out where I'm going to start the first braid. So I'm going to start right here. Just stretching the hair a little. You see her hair just curls up when you put any type of moisture on it, so her curls just came right back. Now I'm going to start the braid. Thank you. Not yet. Okay, so here we're going to add this hair. Alright, and then we'll add that other piece. And then I'm going to add one more piece. Alright, so as you can see, we have one successful braid so far. This is how it looks. Start it here and braid it all the way down. So for the rest, I'm just gonna kind of speed through it so you can see how it goes, and we'll resume once we get to the middle and the top of the head. So I'll do the rest here in fast motion so you can see, and then once we get to the top, middle, and everything, we'll just talk more. But this is how I am doing her knotless braids. Alright, you guys, so we have the whole first row done right here. Can I get this way? That is what it's looking like so far. So we're gonna go to the next few rows, and then I'll come back once those are done. Alright, beauty, so we are halfway there. This is what it is looking like with the knotless braids. She is asleep because it is taking some time, because this is my first time doing it. I just want it to be right, you know? So I'm about to start this row here. After I do this here, there's not much left, just this little puff here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this, and I will let you guys see when we get a little bit further. 2, 3, like that. Now add a piece of hair. 2, 3. And another piece of hair. 1, 2, 3. Lift. 1, 2, 3. keep it this way. Add a little bit of jam, which is right about where her hair is going to start to end. So I add the jam so that there are no flyaways. This is how we're looking so far. Looking good. Alright, beauties, so this is the finished product. Turn to the side. This is how it looks. Hold your head down so they can see. Turn to the back. Careful. Turn to the side. Look straight up. And put your head close down so they can see how it looks. The parts. So this is how it looks, you guys. The knotless braids. Okay, stand up. So as you can see, they are way too long. So I want to cut them in sections so I don't cut them too short. So this top section here I'm going to cut first. Or actually I'm going to cut the bottom section first. So these are going to be their own section here. I'm going to cut this, hold your head up. So I'm going to cut it about right here.
Mommy!
So we cut that much off.
You really just did that?
I really just did that. And now I'm going to cut the top part. So I'm going to this side right here. This part.
Move my arm. So it won't get cut off. No, my arms are already cut off.
So now it's time to dip.
Hey guys.
Alright guys, we're about to dip her hair. So I have the hot water.
And the towel
I'm
if I
putting the
get hot.
towel over her shoulders. Bring your head over. I'm just going to keep this on for about 30 seconds. Alright guys, so now we're going to take out these braids. This is the final look, you guys. Number 2, you can just flip it to one side like that. We'll put it up. Sit down on the chair now.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it.
Do the knotless. You can put it up in a ponytail the day that you do them, because that pressure is not on your scalp. You can do a side ponytail. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!